high quality degreaser in your detailing arsenal is absolutely necessary, and there are a ton of different degreasers on the market, but none are as unique and as versatile as Adams Polishes Citrus Degreaser. So what makes this product so unique and versatile? Well, number one, it has foam burst technology in it. And foam burst technology gives you the option of either using this product and foaming it and allowing it to dwell on the surface and work longer, or using it as a standard spray. Now, number two, the other thing that makes this versatile is all the different places that you can use it in, all right? You could take this product and clean your wheels and tires, and this will even work great on delicate wheels. You can clean your fender wells. This does a really great job on cleaning suspension. A lot of times your suspension parts get a lot of grease and grime inside of there. This product will really help break that down and clean it thoroughly. Same with your engine, all right? Your engine gets a ton of grease under there, a lot of grease and grime, and this product really can break that stuff down, clean it thoroughly, and make your engine look awesome. Now, lastly, the thing that makes this product so unique and versatile is the sprayer that it comes with, okay? This red and white sprayer has a dual purpose to it, okay? You can spray it as normal, like so. It's gonna come out just like our standard sprayers that you use, or you can flip down this white mesh, and now when you spray it, it sprays a thick, lustrous foam that will cling to the surface that you spray it onto and really break down the stuff that you're trying to clean. You can even take this into your interior and use it to clean nasty, greasy products, okay? But I would mainly say use this on sort of the plastic components. You know, areas like your center console where you put drinks and you have a lot of food products, I would avoid using this directly onto leather. Just make sure that when you're done using this, follow it up with interior detailer to even everything out and make it look new again. Now, Citrus Degreaser is an RTU foaming product, so you can pour this into your foam cannon canister or connect the foam cannon directly to the top of the bottle here and foam your whole engine bay super quick and then clean it, all right? You could even use this to foam your wheels and tires, let the product dwell and break down all that dirt and grease and grime and make cleaning it super effective. Adams Polishes Citrus Degreaser is going to be the most unique and most versatile high quality degreasing product that you will put in your detailing arsenal.